Hello and welcome to the Faculty of Arts Guide to your academic requirements. During your studies, you will build your schedule and work towards completing your degree. But how do you keep track of all of your required courses, your major, your minor, basic requirements, where options go? Well, the Faculty of Arts has an online tool to help you keep track of all of those requirements and to plan for future years as part of your degree. To access your academic requirements report, go to any UAlberta homepage or most other UAlberta web pages and select Beartracks at the top of the page. Log in using your CCID and password. Once logged in, go to Academics, and under Plan you will find academic requirements as well as What If. What If will be explained in another video. For now, let's go through your report. At the top you will notice three buttons: Collapse All, Expand All, View Report as PDF. All requirements that have been completed by default are collapsed, so they will be closed if you've already finished them. Any requirements you still have left to complete will be open. And the Collapse All and Expand All buttons are useful for you if you're a first year and all of your requirements are open, so you're trying to see the whole view of your degree, you can collapse them. Or if you're a higher year and most of your requirements are collapsed and you're just curious as to where all of your required courses went, or which courses applied to which requirements. You can also view the report as a PDF and print it off. However, it is much easier to view the report in Beartracks. Grades from transfer courses from other institutions do not consistently appear, but are only used for admission purposes and not typically part of your GPA, or how we calculate how you're doing every year. If you transfer between faculties or programs, examples, Bachelor of Fine Arts to a Bachelor of Arts in the University of Alberta, you may see a course duplicating within your major, minor, or options. If you notice this, please contact us at Undergraduate Student Services, arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca, and we will sort this issue for you. Another key thing to point out is the legend, taken in progress and planned, which shows the status of any given course within the report. The student responsibility section is to remind you that the academic calendar is the default resource for your degree requirements. If there is ever a difference between this report and the academic calendar for your program, the academic calendar is considered correct. Always look at the academic calendar for the year you were admitted to the program, or the year that you changed to that major. There is also a link for the Academic Advisement Tip Sheet, which is what we internally call your Academic Requirements Report. This tip sheet is essentially the PDF version of this video. It is meant to guide you through the report and also covers any other notes and extra details that you might need for unique situations. So definitely look at it if you're noticing any discrepancies first, and then if none of the discrepancies are explained in the report or you have any questions about it, please contact us again at arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca. If you have questions about the requirements for a major or a minor, please contact the department. The department list is supplied here, and they can best describe why the requirements are there, the choices you have to fulfill each requirement, and generally guide you through your program. Registered courses covers all the courses you are currently registered in. The status will be listed next to them, either as taken, in progress, or planned for a later semester. This is how you track your courses in real time, so this has your current registration. If you change your registration, the report will update. Faculty-specific information covers the general overview of your degree, like degree type, for instance, Bachelor of Arts, and the year, either 1, 2, 3, or 4. This is what part of your degree you're currently in. Your academic year does not always reflect how many calendar years you have been at the university. If you do not take a full course load, or are completing work terms, study abroad, you may not complete your degree in 4 years. On average, students complete their degree anywhere between 4 to 6 years. The next section is requirements for your degree. It ranges from basic requirements, major requirements, minor requirements, and can possibly have certificates listed as well. Basic requirements include 1 class or 3 credits of junior level English, which is the 100 level, 2 languages other than English, and these are 2 courses in the same language, but not English courses. For instance, 2 classes of French, Spanish. The third and final requirement is 2 classes outside of the Faculty of Arts. The exceptions being that the classes cannot be anything offered by arts, native studies as they are designated as arts courses, or anything from Inter-D arts. This allows you to take classes from agricultural life and environmental studies, kinesiology and recreational sport, business, science, or any other interest that you have. Your major requirements opens up with several tabs. These indicate specific courses you must complete, or choices from a set list, or just a variety from a set level, such as 6 credits from 300 or 400 level. Minors are optional. However, if you do have a minor, it will appear much the same way a major does, with any requirements listed. If you have a double major, it will be reflected as such in the report. If you notice any issue, such as your secondary major being listed as a minor, again, please contact us. Certificates will not appear for everyone, only students who have registered in certificates. The certificate will list all the requirements to complete. Once the certificate requirements have been completed, a student will be able to apply for the certificate when they apply for graduation. You will notice there was a star with a blank space after the certificate section. The blank space is because stars are placeholders for any notes we need to make in any given section. If you do not see anything after the star, that is okay. That just means there is no extra information we need to give you for that current section. The next 2 sections cover your option courses. Any additional courses outside of your program are considered electives or option courses. They will be found here in the program options section. All other courses offered by other faculties, such as Phys Ed and Rec, AILS, or Education, etc., will appear in non-arts. The last sections cover important information for all programs. It is a tracking list for your progress on graduation. Under Bachelor of Arts degree requirements, you will see Faculty of Arts residency, which means that you must complete a minimum amount of courses from the Faculty of Arts and be a Faculty of Arts student to be able to apply for graduation when you've completed the 120 credits. 120 credits is also displayed, and if you click on it, you will see your progress towards that number. This counts all of your credits, so it does not show you accurately at all times how close you are to graduating, as if you took any courses that did not apply to your degree, they are extra, but their number would still be displayed. This also leads to our next section of junior limit. The junior limit is a limit on how many first-year courses you can take. If you take any more than 16 courses or 48 credits, these courses will not apply towards your degree and will go into the extra category. Again, this will show a credit number on how many credits you've actually taken, but will not count towards your degree. So you do not need to take a first-year class unless it's a prerequisite for the second-year class that you want to take. Finally, any course credit that does not apply to your degree will be listed in the last section. Use this report as a guide for planning your degree out in all of your course registration. Also use it as a little bit of a check. If you have any questions about your program, please come see us at Undergraduate Student Services. We're located in the Humanities Building 1-17. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, as always, please email us at arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca. Have a great day.